How to fix Apple ID could not be created at this time. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the problem. Now next, you can simply check the Apple ID system status. Sometimes Apple servers are down and you just need to wait and try it later. Third, you have to make sure date and time are set correctly. Open up settings. Inside here, tap on General. Scroll below, tap on Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. After that, you can simply try creating your Apple ID using a browser instead. Open up your Safari, and then in the search bar, you can simply search for accounts.apple.com, and then you will land in their official page. Tap on Create Your Apple Account and follow the on-screen instruction. After that, avoid using VPNs. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it and try again. Another fix is to sign out of your existing Apple ID and restart your device before trying again. Finally, make sure your email isn't already in use for another Apple ID. That's it. One of these methods should fix the issue. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.